At SmartKX, we are reimagining RAA revenue with our comprehensive fee management software. While working with RAAs, we realized that there were three distinct parts of a fee calculation system: the documentation, the actual calculation, and then some really good reporting and analytics. Each one of these things relied on the same data, yet none of the data was integrated with each of the parts. So we found that this data was being moved from one part to another manually. So we built SmartKX to solve that. SmartKX sits in the middle of these three processes and brings them all together. We can calculate AUM fees. We can give you some really nice reporting analytics tools to review and assess your billing. And then we can help you adjust and maintain your revenue system. How do we do that? First, we help you document the fee calculation as it is being done in the calculation system. We allow you to take the individual client fee agreement and we document that for you in your existing client agreement, and we're able to send that out for disclosure or signature. Then, because we have the fee agreement as it is written exactly in your contract, we can calculate the fee based directly on that information. So, this synchronization between your document and your fee calculation is completely automated. No one needs to move that information from the document into the calculator. Next, we use the outcomes and the calculations to give you some really nice revenue oversight, to be able to tell you things like what your average annual blended rate is, what your average client revenue is, what your average client AUM is. This will allow you to look at your firm on a high level, but then dig into each one of your clients to see who is out of the boundaries of what your averages are and that need to be adjusted. Lastly, because we have this information, instead of someone taking your fee calculations and moving that information into homemade reports or internally generated systems, we do that for you automatically. Set up a time to see what we can do for your firm today.